Hello everyone. It's Sunday. It's Irene from Agape Greeting Cards. Thank you so much for joining me today. And I am actually going to be utilizing a die cut that I have with just circles of all shapes and sizes. And to utilize the cut out portion to decorate my matted piece for my card. And it's a very simple and really quick if you want to do, just do a quick card. I know we don't all have circles. So to get started, I am just going to show this. I had a piece of foil left over, so I just kind of used it because I want to be able to glide over this, when I'm utilizing it. So I just place this on the white piece and just make sure it's, sitting nicely, although it doesn't matter really. And I just grabbed a few, this one is abandoned coral, a coral, sorry, sound like a quarrel. This is the Distress Oxide ink by Tim Holtz. And basically I just utilized it and kind of just did random little, blotches here and there because I wanted to get some kind of a vibrant or really colorful looking piece. And that's what I'm trying to achieve with this video. Just something really nice and fun to do. And the next one I'm going to be using is some of this yellow here, which is squeezed lemonade. Now, when you're doing this, be mindful that it might move if you have not actually taped it or have a way to keep it stable. So before you grab your next color, just make sure everything is sitting down where you need it to be. So I'm just going to just get some inside, in between. I'm going to be doing half circles, not any, not the entire circle. It just depends on, where I want to have that. Yeah, so I'm just like spotting and dashing here and there, and just have fun with it. Just play around with it. It's totally fine. No harm in just having a good old time with your colors. I'm going to throw in some wilted violet, which is a purple. And again, just make sure that your piece is sitting properly. You could do it with flowers, you could do it with anything really. But I just happen to have taken that out and I decided, okay, I'm just going to utilize it instead of throwing it out. And that's basically what this video is about really. It's when you utilize, like die cuts like this, where you can just kind of play around with it instead of throwing it out right away. If you're not going to use it, you can actually use it and create some nice little color thingy thingies. I'm going to now go ahead and just kind of place this towards the edge because I want this whole piece. And like I mentioned again, this can be done with any die cut that requires you to maybe cut out several pieces or portions. It really doesn't matter. So see how pretty that is. And then with this one, we can choose to do it in a different way. Yeah, let's try it across. Just a quick little pattern, and I'm going to use the red and yellow. So you can have it across like this. Here is another option. We have that. I'm going to set all of those aside. So I wanted to show you the end results of the two cards. This one, I just used a different type of happy birthday stamp font that I had. And on this one, of course, it's the same. But this is the result of the two cards. They are very simple cards. So thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday and have a safe and blessed week. See you guys next Sunday. Bye-bye.